with maps in general. Yeah. Just some of the thing was like brandy wines, blows. What is it called? So we've just been to a coffee shop we used to go to all the time. The first month of moving here, we used to go there all the time and work and look for jobs and stuff. And we've just been back for the first time in quite a few months. And yeah, just did some work, did some programming. Lani did a bit of work and also work on a new brand that I started up a while ago, but we've kind of rebranded and started again. So yeah, today kind of marks the day where that starts, and we're doing the new thing. So probably talk about that like further down the line. Oh my god, there's a cat. Hi, Gareth. It's not Gareth. I don't know. Yeah, so got sidetracked by a cat, as always. But yeah, it was really good, really good. Figured out the brand. Lani's really good at these things, so we've rebranded the name and kind of direction we're going in. Kind of a clothing brand, more of a lifestyle thing. A mix of like outdoors and like lifestyle stuff as well, I guess.
And I guess pretty like documentary style.
Yes.
Very much
About
aligned with what you're doing at the moment.
Yeah, and about the places we've been and stuff as well. So just one of these things that's like good fun doing. Doesn't have to make money, doesn't have to be anything crazy down the line, but it's just really fun to do.
Good test of skills.
Good test of skills of like Illustrator, yeah, and everything. It kind of covers like everything in running a business, and being able to do that together is really cool. Because really cool.
So a lot of ideas, but we don't actually.
Yeah, we set on way too many ideas and don't do them enough. So.
Also, this is
for a month.
Well, yeah, but it's nostalgic for it.
Yeah, it is. So yeah. Head home.
How many times have you walked this exact street?
Every day, pretty much.
Exactly. So
It is nostalgic. You're not wrong. But yeah, head home now and do some more work. I did do some coding as well. Actually, did finishing off the Spots app for the test version, and that'll be done hopefully for October, and then be launching that. So yeah, let's go home. Okay, so I thought I would do a quick run through of where we're at with spots and sort of the next steps, because it's been a while and I've actually done quite a bit of work on it and a lot of new features, a lot of refactoring, and a lot of work on the back end that I can't show right now, but I'm still trying to figure out the best ways to do it, because the main back end is all handled by Supabase. Authentication, database, everything. However, the transcription side of it, where you can record a voice note just by clicking this button here, it'll go and try and transcribe that, add it to the location, and save the spot. I'm still working out the best way to do it. I started rewriting it in Go as sort of a learning thing as well. I've done a really basic one in Node, but I kind of just want it done now, so I may just use the one for Node for now and then see where we're at, because I want to get this testing out for testing in October, and it is the 8th of September, so a bit of work to do, but let's jump into where we're at. So as you can see here, this is the home screen, so when you come in it automatically pulls you onto the home screen. This is the button to record the voice note and the transcription. It's got an error at the moment because I'm not actually doing anything with it, and that works great. I've got it all working, and then you can also go in and add your location here and add some details to it. We'll just save done to do nothing. It'll just save the location and then you can go back in and edit it later. I'm also wanting to look into the widget as well, because this would work best as a widget on your lock screen or on your home screen. So I'm going to look into that, but once we've got the app done. So I want it to be super simple. These buttons up here don't do anything at the moment. But this is the home page. We've got settings. I just have basic accounts settings here right now, but you can go in and change everything. And then this is what I've done for the spaces. So you go into home, and this is your spaces. So this is I split it in kind of two collections. So you've got the search up here where you can search for any of the spots or locations. We can see this one up here is the one that I just made, but let's just delete that. And at the moment I've not got any images in there, just because it's not the images from the simulator. But here we can see all the spots, and then we go into collections and we can see the collections that we've created. And if you go up here, you can go in and add a new collection. So let's call this, don't want to just call it testing, a collection of random spots, and we'll add a tag. We'll just call it testing as well. You can save that, and then it'll redirect to this page. But I need to change that to redirect to the new collection, because I'm, if a user's going in and doing that, they're probably going to want the new collection. So yeah, we can go into the spots. This one's got no tags in it, but we can change the image. We can go to the map and it'll show you where it is. Again, it's just test data, don't try and track me down. And we can also delete the spot. And then, so we go to collections. We've got collections here. So what I would like to do is every spot will just be added to a general collection, I think. But then again, I need to see if users are going to want that or not. So once we go into here, we can add a new spot, and it pulls up this selection. Image loading is a bit slow at the moment. I'm refactoring that at the moment just to make sure it works properly. But we can go in, add some spots, whether we want them or not. Let's just add that. Oh, I've already added that one. Let's just add that one for now. Again, I need to refactor this so it is subscribed to changes. But we can see now that it's added the spot to the collection. And that is kind of it at the moment. We can go in and delete collections as well. You can see it's deleted there. Search functionality is on its way. That's just going to be super simple for now because it doesn't need to be anything crazy. But I feel like it's in a really good spot dare I say, to go into testing shortly. The main kind of things I want to do are getting the account information so everyone can go in and change their usernames, passwords, emails, all of that jazz. It's kind of boring, but it needs to be good. It needs to work. I'm literally at the moment refactoring some of the image loading in the image picker as well, and also adding the functionality to add in an option to take a photo straight away. And also just want to test the database out to make sure that everything's pulling in as it should. I think in here the tags, so the tags are pulling through, which is good. Again, I need to be able to edit the spot as well, to go in, change the name, all that stuff. But I feel like it's going really well. It's kind of been a bit slow because I've been really busy with client work and stuff, but really enjoying it. And I thought I would just show. Yeah, this is what I'm using. This is the developer plan. I've gone back to record my screen because it's going to be a lot easier to see. But yeah, as it's just me at the moment, this is just very much kind of my brain dump for things I know I need to do. So I want to separate out the login and sign up page, because I cannot stand it when when you're trying to do something quickly and you're signing up, and then it's not clear if you're clicking login or sign up, or the buttons are above each other and one is to log in, one is to sign up, but the forms are the same, like it doesn't change to another page. So I want to make sure that's super simple. Also have the ability to sign in with different authentication methods with Google, different accounts, things like that. So yeah, I've got to do the searchability, the edit, spot, and location, which I've kind of done, but I just need to update it. Update the masonry refresh, so that main grid, when it's pulled down, that it refreshes, and just making sure that I'm subscribed to changes from Supabase. So when the page is pushed back, or we save something, it's updating as it should be. So some refactoring things. This isn't everything that I've done, because I've ended up deleting a lot of things that I've completed just to tidy it up. But Millernote's been really good for doing this side of stuff and planning it out, and especially the product stuff like that. It's got some really good templates, so worth checking out. I use it for a couple of other projects I work on as well. You can see my whole thing here. So Isla, which has got a few exciting things coming out, personal things, my software company projects, other things. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. But that's it for now. Thought I'd just give a quick update and let you know where we're at. But October for testing, hopefully. So if anyone wants to test it or try and test it, let me know. And yeah, it'd be great to get some users on board and people out and about in the real world using it. It's super exciting and terrifying, because I've definitely forgotten to do things, but that is the whole point of testing. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit more work, and I will catch you later.